So it's no longer a surprise that cryptocurrency and Web3 industries have been expanding recently. So it's important to have an understanding of the top paid blockchain and crypto profession so that you may strategically place yourself inside this sector if you're interested. Jobs in this field are in high demand because so many people are interested in joining the movement and making a difference in the future of web and blockchain technology. The world of cryptocurrency may be the best place for a professional to begin a dynamic new career. The market is quite active and there are plenty of profitable possibilities to be obtained. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the best jobs in the crypto industry and how you can choose to tap into it as it's pretty new. If this is your first time on my channel, a huge welcome to you. I mostly create content on personal finance and self-development videos. If this sounds interesting to you, kindly subscribe. And if you end up enjoying this video, do well to give me a thumbs up as it helps you to push out my videos to people who find them useful. Now let's get into the video. So the first one on my list is the blockchain developer. Blockchain developers are in high demand in the crypto industry. Opportunities exist in other sectors that use distributed ledger technology such as healthcare, finance, tech, and transportation, in addition to the cryptocurrency sector itself. So developers in the blockchain industry work on a wide variety of tasks, ranging from setting up the necessary infrastructure and designing security procedures to writing necessary code for applications. So having familiarity with programming languages and for some people a bachelor's degree are also typical requirements. Developers of blockchain technology often earn around $150,000 and above, so it's worth the time and effort. You can choose to start by learning and taking necessary courses and working on projects. It sounds easy, but it's not easy. I'll tell you the truth, it's difficult. This brings us to the second one, which is cryptocurrency analyst. Experts in this field analyze and make forecasts about the future of cryptocurrency market, including its price, demand, trends, and trading volumes. Those interested in this field might find employment in either cryptocurrency department of a large financial institution or in that of a more innovative startup. A bachelor's degree in accounting is often required for entry-level work in this field. Analysts in the crypto industry need a firm grasp of not just economics of supply and demand, but you also need to know about the cryptocurrency market itself. This takes us to the third one, which is security architects. Even though one of the advantages of the blockchain or even Bitcoin is that it's far more difficult to hack than conventional payment systems, network administrators are still very much required to guarantee that the system's level of safety stays rock solid. So your responsibility would be to design and implement safeguards which would protect the company's technological infrastructure against outside attacks and dishonest business dealings and all of that. Well, a minimum of bachelor's degree in a computer-related subject or experience are mostly required for those seeking employment as security architects. Skills in analysis and attention to details are of utmost importance for this particular role. You may also expect an annual salary of around $92,000 and above, and these prices might also differ depending on your employer. All these are based on research. Please don't hold me. So this brings me to my fourth one, which is marketing manager. The need for blockchain and virtual currencies is predicted by the marketing departments of crypto companies. Values are compared, trends are tracked, prospective customers are located, and new strategies for increasing sales and revenues are developed. In addition to years of expertise in advertising and sales, most marketing managers who also hold a bachelor's degree in marketing or communications can start doing a job as crypto marketing managers. The fifth one on our list today is the UI UX designer. There is a rising need for user interface and user experience designers who can design accounts, trades, and other crypto-related apps easy to use as cryptocurrencies gain in popularity. This might be a fantastic chance for you to enter the field if you have expertise already online or mobile app design. The typical annual pay is usually around $80,000 to 120,000 depending on your experience. So if you have experience in marketing or branding, you may provide a valuable insight into what qualities would most likely appeal to customers. This is going to be an A for you, to be a plus for you. An impressive body of work might also help you get a job at a firm that needs your expertise. So if you're seeking for more information around these guys, Google is your friend. This brings me to my sixth one, which is legal consultation. Legislation and policy regarding blockchain and cryptocurrencies are complex and in progress as we speak. So to ensure continued compliance and the ability to accommodate new requirements, many businesses need the services of legal advisors with expertise in the field. So to be a legal consultant, you will need to have at least a law degree or something very similar to that field of study. But if you do, you will be well on your way to a yearly salary of around $82,000 and above, depending. And you may also have even additional employment option as a consultant, since you may freelance or even start your own firm. Go for it. Now, this brings me to my seventh one, which is expert writer. A writer. You mustn't even be an expert, but a writer. If you're someone who enjoys learning stuff and writing about them, this can be a great opportunity for you. You can write about cryptocurrency either on your blog, which could be monetized, or websites like Medium, or even companies seeking for writers to help them market their products. You can even maybe focus on just writing white paper for companies. It's typically ranging from 20 to 50 pages in length. A technical white paper is written by companies that develop new forms of cryptocurrencies to attract investors. So this document details the company's strategy for the future development and marketing of its technology. Expert writers who engage in cryptocurrency industry should have basic knowledge of how blockchain technology works, the ability in compelling writing, and a solid command of good grammar. Good structure, spelling is very needed. You have to know how to write to some extent. Experience with social media platforms and digital marketing is also a major asset too. And you may expect an annual salary of around 70,000 or more or less, depending on your experience. This brings me to the final one, which is also not the least, quality engineer. Among your primary duties as a quality engineer, you will be ensuring that all blockchain and cryptocurrency related projects and programs are up to par with efficiency and functionality. In most cases, this position requires extensive bug testing and the subsequent reporting of issues discovered when working. Knowledge of blockchain is very essential, but so is the experience with testing and analytical thinking is a plus. So a bachelor's degree and experience is sometimes required, if not most times. But once you've got it, a salary roughly of around 96,000 or more per year is very possible. So factor that in if you're debating whether or not to go for it. There are also many other opportunities such as project managers, content creators, social media marketers that you can look into if you're looking to work in this industry. The industry is still growing and people are needed on a daily. So see how you can tap into this $1 trillion market. If you have other projects that I didn't list on this, please do well to leave them in the comment section so that other people can see it and I also can see it. It is very essential to develop your skills to try in this market, and you would definitely get your values worth. Honestly, it really pays. So this is all I have for you today in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and you can also share with your friends who might find it beneficial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help me subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow. Thank you so much. And if you have any video in mind that you would want me to create, do well to leave it in the comments, as I read all your beautiful comments and I will make sure to take that into consideration. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.